Hello dear students, welcome to mathematics online class. We are discussing the first chapter in grade 9th, number systems. Today we are going to learn another concept, how to locate root 2 on the number line. We know root 2 is an irrational number and how we can locate root 2 on the number line. This we are going to learn today. Okay, so before going to actual construction, so I will tell you the procedure, rough sketch, how I am going to construct root 2 on the number line. First of all, I will take base as AB. AB base I will take it as 1 unit. AB length I will take it as 1 unit, and I will draw a perpendicular from the point B. I will draw a perpendicular from the point B, right? And it is a unit perpendicular, means I will take the length from B to C, it is 1 unit. If I draw an arc from B with 1 unit, so we will get a new point that is called C. Now AB length is 1 unit and BC length is also 1 unit. Now if you join AC, you will get a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. AB is 1 unit and BC is 1 unit. By applying Pythagoras theorem, we will get, so AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So you will get AC square equals to 1 square plus 1 square. AC square is 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1 you will get 2. AC value is root 2. So we will get the length AC root 2 units. Now what I will do, using compass, I will measure the length of AC and I will draw arc on the number line. So wherever the arc is intersecting the number lines, that is the location of root 2. Okay. Now if you want to locate root 3 on the number line, same procedure will be followed. Like on AC, take a perpendicular from the point C. Take a perpendicular from the point C, and from C take an arc with 1 unit. Let's take the point is D. Now ACD is a right angle triangle if you join AD. AD is hypotenuse, so if you join AD, you will get a right angle triangle ACD, right? Now this length of AD is nothing but root 3. AD is root 3 units. Let's check. ACD is a right angle triangle. No? What is hypotenuse? AD is hypotenuse. So AD square equals to AC is root 2. Root 2 is a base now, because base we have taken AC to construct triangle ACD. AC is base and CD is height CD. So root 2 square plus 1 square. So AD square equals to root 2 square is 2, 1 square is 1. AD square is 3, therefore AD length you will get root 3 units. So this is a rough sketch to construct root 2 on the number line, to locate root 2 on the number line and also root 3 on the number line. To locate root 2 on the number line, we need some geometrical instruments. Okay, we need ruler, compass and protractor. So these are the instruments are required. Okay. So first of all, we should construct a right angle triangle, right? So I will take ruler. I will increase the size here, size of the ruler, and I will take a number line. So this is the number line. I will locate some points here. So here I will take 0, this is 1, 2, 3, and here it is -1, -2, -3. Okay. Okay. Now can we say 0 to 1 the distance is 1 centimeter? No. So 0 to 1, it is a 1 unit distance. 0 to 1, it is 1 unit distance. 1 to 2 also 1 unit. 2 to 3 also 1 unit. So on. Okay. So this is our number line. And now I will locate root 2 on this number line. So for that one, what we discussed, we need base as 1 unit. Okay. Let's take base as 1 unit. Okay. So 0 is the initial point. So the initial point, I will take it as A. I will take it as a point A. And this 1 unit wherever I have mentioned, that I will take it as the point B. Okay. Now what is the length of AB? AB equals to 1 unit. AB length is 1 unit. Now let's measure the length of AB. AB length is 1 unit. Exactly, I got AB is 1 unit. Now AB is what? Base. Now I want BC as 1 unit. Okay, I want BC as 1 unit. So for that one, what I will do? I will draw an arc from the point B. From the point B, I will draw an arc. Okay. Now, using protractor, I will draw a perpendicular from the point B. I will draw a perpendicular from the point B. So I am making one point here so that I can easily draw a perpendicular. Okay. Now take a perpendicular from B. So this is a perpendicular. Now the perpendicular intersecting the arc at certain point, no? So that point is C. So this is a point C, right? If you join AC, that is our root 2, right? So if we join AC, so I am joining AC. AC, I have joined AC. So this is AC is the of root 2. Now what I have to do? I want to locate, I will measure the length of AC. I will measure the length of AC. And I will locate root 2 on the number line. So please measure the length of AC. So this is the length of AC. So I will draw arc. AC length, I am taking it as radius, and I will draw arc which intersects the number line. Okay. When AC is root 2, then what about A to P? I am taking the arc which is intersecting the number line at certain point, no? So that point I will take it as P. Now what is the length of AP? AP is nothing but root 2. So where is the location of root 2? P is the location of root 2. Okay, P is the location of root 2. Okay, this is the way we can locate root 2 on the number line. First we have to take AB 1 unit and BC also 1 unit. So we will get, we should get a right angle triangle where AB is 1 unit and BC is 1 unit. Now after that, take the hypotenuse AC and measure the length of AC and locate AC on the number line So the arc intersecting the number line at certain point, that point is P. Therefore, AP length is root 2. P is the location of root 2. Okay. So I think you are clear with the construction. You are clear with the how to locate root 2 on the number line. Okay. Now I want to locate root 3 on the number line. Okay. I want to locate root 3 on the number line. So same procedure can be followed how we followed for AB and BC. AB what we have taken? AB 1 unit we have taken. AB we have taken 1 unit and BC 1 unit we have taken, right? Now to locate root 3 on the number line, so I will take AC equals to root 2, and from C I will draw a perpendicular. From C I will draw a perpendicular. Okay. So let's take the length of the perpendicular is CD, and I will take CD length as 1 unit. CD length as 1 unit. Okay. Now let's see what will happen. So now I need a perpendicular from the point C. So using protractor, I will take 90 degrees. Okay. Now this is the ray which is perpendicular to AC. Okay. Now from C, how many units we should take? From C we need to take 1 unit length. Okay. Now we have taken previously AB length is 1 unit, so I am taking same AB length is 1 unit. AB length is 1 unit, and I will draw an arc. Which intersects the perpendicular whatever we constructed previously. Okay. Now let's take, this is the point D. So this is the point D. Now please join AD. AD is root 3. AD length is root 3. AD length is okay. Now I need to locate root 3 on the number line. So for that one, what we will do again, now let's measure the length of AD. Measure the length of AD. Now draw arc which intersects the number line at certain point. So you can take that point as Q. Now Q is the location of root 3. Q is the location of root 3. Okay. So in this way we can construct root 2, root 3 on the number line. Now let's verify whether our construction is correct or wrong. We have constructed right angle triangle ABC, right? In triangle ABC, we have taken AB equals to 1 unit and BC equals to 1 unit. Okay. Now if it is a right angle triangle, now we can apply Pythagoras theorem. From the Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So what is hypotenuse in right angle triangle ABC? AC is hypotenuse. So AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. That is AB length is 1 square plus 1 square. 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1 it is 2. Therefore, AC square is 2, then AC equals to root 2 units. When AC length is root 2, what we have taken? We have measured the length of AC and the same radius we have taken and we have drawn an arc which intersects the number line, right? So, AC length and AP length both are same, right? AC and AP both the lengths are same. Therefore, AC equals to AP, how many units? Root 2 units. In this way, we can give our justification. Now, how can we give justification for root 3? Okay, now it is another right angle triangle. In triangle ACD, AC equals to root 2 units. Okay. Here right angle triangle ACD is right angle triangle. Angle ACD equals to 90 degrees, right? So, angle ACD opposite side is AD. AD is hypotenuse. AC is base. CD 1 unit. We have taken 1 unit, right? Now, what is hypotenuse? AD square is hypotenuse. AD square equals to AC square plus CD square. That is AC value is root 2 whole square plus 1 square. Root 2 whole square is 2, 2 plus 1 it is 3. AD square is root 3, then AD value is, AD square is 3, then AD value is root 3 units. Okay. Now, this location wherever the arc is intersecting, so that location I am taking it as Q. Okay. Now, AD length and AQ length both are same. Why? Because AD length whatever I have taken, same radius, with the same radius I have drawn an arc intersecting the number line at Q. So, AD radius and AQ radius both are same. AD equals to AQ. Therefore, what is the length? AD length and AQ length equals to root 3 units. So, in this way we can give the justification of our construction. Okay. Thank you everyone.